Good
Good morning, my
ma'am.
dears.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good morning, Sri Bala. Good morning, Rayan. I'm fine, my dear.
morning,
I'm fine.
ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning. Somebody is talking. Others, I think Evelyn, please mute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning. How was this online class? Is it okay? Or you on school bag?
It's good online class.
Okay. So you are not missing our school, right?
It's very.
Yes or no?
Yes.
We are going to start the school for seniors, for plus one, plus two, and all. We are going to start. So, what's your plan? Are you planning to come?
No.
No? Why?
No. Yes.
Because
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
busy, right? Yes.
No.
Due to the
Late to go
situation.
school.
Yes, yes. Well done. Well done, my dears. Well done. Okay, so let's start our class. Yes or no? What about that? Let's start our online class.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so all of you please take your workbook first. In the last class, we completed certain languages. We read the list of official languages, we discussed about the numbers,
Ma'am,
and we
part
also
two.
discussed about culture, right? So
Part
all of
two.
you please take your workbook, part 2 workbook, EVS 2, part 2 workbook.
Page number.
Page number 1, we are just starting, no? Page number 1.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Dia, Jaron, Danush, and
Ma'am, workbook part two.
yes, we are going to write the answers. All of you, Vinayak, on your
Page
video, my
number.
dear. Page number 1. Please listen here. All of you, please take your workbook. EVS 2, part 2 workbook, page number 1. Okay? Siddesh. Siddesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the first question.
Ma'am,
Take
in
your
workbook.
Yes, take your workbook and read our question number 1, workbook. ADS 2, workbook, part 2.
I can read, ma'am.
No. All of you, please mute. Others, please mute. Siddesh,
Yes, ma'am.
where is he?
Which of these language is used by the majority of people in Maharashtra?
Maharashtra is a state like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and all. Maharashtra is a state in India. So here, this is a question for you. Which of these languages is used by majority of India? Sorry?
Marathi.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
So that's the right answer. So question number 1, answer is D, Marathi. Please note D.
Which of those official
No. All of you, please mute. Dia, please mute. Just write the answer. First question, option D. Option D. Just write the answer D there. Okay. So the language used in Maharashtra, that's our Marathi. Marathi is the language. So is Marathi an official language? Last class we read the list of official languages, right? So Marathi official language?
Yes.
Yes. Well done. Well done. So next question for Rayan Manu. Rayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number 3.
Which of these official languages is used by the central government of India?
Which of these official languages is used by the central government of India? Is
Hindi.
it Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, or Telugu?
Hindi.
Hindi, because we know Hindi is a national language.
National
Our
language.
Indian government is using in Hindi for their work. So the answer is A. Hindi. Please note down. Well done, Rayan. So next question for Yadav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Read question number 3, my dear.
There are
Hmm.
dash official languages in India.
Yeah. So how many official languages are there in India?
22.
Well done, Yadav. Well done. So please note 22. There are 22 official languages in India. Well done. Then Dia, read question number 5. Question number 4 we will do later. Question number 5.
Name one language that is not an official language of
Note is very important, right? Name one Indian language that is not an official language.
languages.
Our Bengali, Marathi, Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada, all these are the official languages. So can you please name any other language?
Urti?
No, Urdu is an official language. What about Ao?
Tamil.
Yes, yes. You can write these languages, Thulu and Ao. Write these 2 languages. These are not the part of official languages. Question number 4 we will do later.
We want to write this.
Yes, take your workbook and complete your answer. Complete your answers.
I don't have one book.
Okay, then we can
I
take
am
the
my
screenshot
mother.
if you want. Please take the screenshot after the class. Yes, okay, Abhay. After the class, I'll send. Okay, after the class, I'll send the notes for you. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
you can copy it down from our WhatsApp group. Okay, after the class, I'll send. So next question for Harin. Harin, yeah,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
ready? Question number 6.
How many languages are there in India?
So how many languages are there in India? They are not asking about the official languages, the total language.
1,600.
Yes, 1,600. So please write, just a minute. About, this is not the correct number, that's why we are adding about 1,600. About 1,600 languages are used in India by our people like Marathi, Bengali, Urdu, so many languages. So in total, we are having 1,600 languages. In total, we are having 1,600 languages. So look, in this 1,600, only 22 languages are official language.
Fourth one.
4th one we will do later. Okay.
Ma'am, how many are not official languages?
22. That's why in total in India we have 1,600 languages, but only 22 languages are considered as official language. Is that clear, Dia?
I asked how many not official languages.
So many. You can use this formula to find out. Yes, so I'll get the unofficial languages right. Yeah, but this is not the correct number, my dear. It's an approximate number, about. Okay, so 22 official languages are there. In total, we are having 1,600 languages. So, Nivya Rose, can you read the question number 7?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
The next page, page number 2, the first question.
What does official language mean?
Yes, what does official language means? Which means what is official language? That's it. What is official language? Brinda?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just try. What does official language mean? Any idea? There are 22 official languages. Why they are using these languages? Any idea? Why we are giving this much importance to these languages? I'll give a clue. Kerala government is using Malayalam. Tamil Nadu, they are using Tamil. So what's the purpose? Anyone? It's different, okay.
Government used to.
Yes, yes. Well done, well done. Who was that?
Rayan.
Okay, M.U. Rayan, right answer. So please note the answer. Official language is a language. Official language, that means it is a language used. It is a language used by the government.
Ma'am, what is the question answer?
Which question?
Fourth question.
Fourth question we will do later. It is a language used by the government for its work or for their work. It is a language used by the government for its work. LANGUAGE. Please check the spelling of language and also government.
Excuse me, ma'am.
GERNMENT. Government.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Please and write the last sentence. Last one. For. I cannot read it.
For its work. I'll read the answer for question number 7. What does official language mean? Official language is a language used by the government for its work or for their work, for its work. ITS. Please complete your answers. Yes.
Finish. Next question.
Ma'am, I wrote. No, sir. Why not do 7th?
It is a language used by the government for their work. M.U. Rayan, can you please read it?
Choose from the box and write
No.
names.
The question number 7. The answer for question number 7.
7.
What does the official language means?
Yes. Give me the answer, my dear.
It is a language used by the government for its work.
Okay, well done. So that's all for today. Okay, you can close your workbook. You can close your
Okay, ma'am.
workbook. Fine. Yes. So we completed 6 questions, right? Question number 4 we will do later. So today we learned about 22 official languages, 1,600 languages are there in total. And also the meaning of official language. What's the meaning of official language, Dia? What is the meaning of official language?
Language used by the government for its work.
Well done, well done. These 22 languages, like I'll read these 22 languages. Look here, Assamese, Gujarati, Konkani, Marathi, Sanskrit, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Maithili, Nepali, Santali, Urdu, Bodo, Kannada, Malayalam, Oriya, Sindhi, Dogri, Kashmiri, Manipuri, Punjabi, and Tamil. These are the 22 official languages in India. So why we are using these official languages? Yeah, these official languages are used by different governments.
government.
Yes, for their work, for the completion, for the completion of their work. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt? Question number 4 we will do later. Okay, fine. So all of you take your textbook. Take your textbook, close your workbook and
Page
take
number-
your textbook. Page, I think page number 4. Just a minute. Yes, page number 4. Yes, my dear. Part 1 is over. You can, yes.
Page number 3.
Okay, all of you.
Part 2.
Yes, my dears. Look here, look here.
Page
All of you, please mute. Please mute. Yes.
Please,
No, please mute. Please mute. I'll give the instructions for you. Please mute. Please mute everyone. Yes. Yeah. Take your textbook. EVS 2 textbook. Part 2. Page number 4. Part 2. Page number 4. All the informations are here. Make it fast. Take your textbook. Our part 2 textbook. Page number 4.
Mama, I don't have book.
It's okay. The same thing is here in our slide. Okay, so Aditya Satyan, do you have your textbook, my dear Aditya? Aditya, no? Yes. Your name, please. Who is this Aditya Satyan? Does not respond. Okay, Sri Bala. Sri Bala, do you have your textbook, my dear? Sri Bala, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So let's start. Okay. This is a new topic, that is different styles of living. We already discussed that each state, they have their own language, they have their own food, they have their own clothes, right? Everything is different in different states. That's because of their culture. Yes? Yes or no? Okay. So we are starting from here. What is written here, my dear? Who can read this? What is written here? It's in page number 4. Assalamu alaikum, right? So what you will return back, or what you will wish back for this? What you will say back for this? Assalamu alaikum. Okay, suppose I'm saying Assalamu alaikum. What you will say back? Rayan, tell me. Alaikum assalam, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Like we wish good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is a wish. Okay. Yes, like a good morning, namaskaram, vanakkam. All these are the wish, right? Yes or no? Yes. So this Assalamu alaikum, this part is a wish. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Afshan. Who's he? I'm Afshan. Okay, page number 4, my dear. Page number 4. Page number 4. Aman. So what is the language over there in Jammu and Kashmir? What is the language over there in Jammu and Kashmir?
Kashmiri.
Look, Kashmiri and Urdu. Kashmiri and Urdu.
Kashmiri and Urdu.
Yes. No. Just listen here.
Okay.
Okay, so in Jammu and Kashmir, what is the language? Kashmiri and Urdu. Yes. Diya,
Kashmiri
what
and
is written in the 4th line? What is written in the 4th line?
Namaskar.
No, 4th line. In Jammu and Kashmir, in the first box. What is, yeah, it's Farhan. Do you have any idea what is Farhan?
Dress.
Yes, well done, well done. Look, look this dress, look at this dress. This type of dresses are called as Farran. Okay, Farran. Sadiq. So what about their food, their staple food, their major food, their common food in Jammu and Kashmir?
You want to write like this?
No, just take your textbook. It's there in your textbook. Okay. Advait, can you give me the food from Jammu and Kashmir? I'm very hungry. Can you please give me the food from Jammu and Kashmir? What's the food? Yeah, just read it.
Kulchan, Rogan Josh.
Yes, it's kulcha and rogan josh. This kulcha is a meat recipe with tomato sauce and all. Oh my God. Right? Okay. Yes. So is it same in Rajasthan? How they wish? How people from Rajasthan wish? Look, Kammagani. What is it? Kammagani. That is a wish from Rajasthan. Have you wished someone from Rajasthan? Kammagani. Yes, Kammagani. Yes, Kammagani. That is a wish from Rajasthan. It's different, right? What's the name? What's the name? Murali. Rajasthan. So what are languages he know? Where about Hindi and Rajasthan? Okay, so let me ask a question, Anjaliga.
Yes, ma'am.
So our Murali is also wearing Farran, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? A Murali from Rajasthan is also wearing Farran, the cloth Farran. Yes or no?
Farran.
No.
No. Why? Because Farran is a cloth from Jammu and Kashmir. Here is wearing white turban. Turban means this yellow thing.
Right.
Okay. Yes, this is
Turban.
turban. Cotton angarka. This is
Angarka
cotton
and dhoti.
angarka. And dhoti. That's familiar for us, right? Dhoti. Okay. So, Nakshatra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Nakshatra, I'm very hungry, Nakshatra. Can you please give me some food from Rajasthan?
No.
No, why? I'm hungry. Please give me food from Rajasthan. It's here. Look at here. Look at the slide and give me a food from Rajasthan. I'm very hungry.
Yes.
Then tell me, give me the name. Who's going to give me food? Ashik, please give me some food from Rajasthan. Give me some food from Rajasthan. Yes, Vinayak?
Rayan.
Bati.
Yes, dal bati. Dal bati is a food from Rajasthan. It's a food from Rajasthan. Okay, now it's your turn. Now it's your turn. Vinayak, I'm going to ask certain questions from this textbook. All of you get ready. Take your textbook. Okay. What are the languages in Nagaland? I'm from Nagaland. So what are languages? Yeah, let me ask like this. Vinayak, just imagine you are from Nagaland. So what are languages you know? You are from Nagaland. All of you.
Ayo
Mute.
and
Yes, Vinayak.
Ao and English.
Well done. It's in page number 4. Look, our Akavi from Nagaland. The languages, that is Ao and English, right? Well done, well done. Okay, MU Rayan?
Ma'am.
Rayan, I'm very hungry. Give some food from Maharashtra. Give me some food from Maharashtra. I'm very hungry. Make it fast. Rayan, give me some food from Maharashtra.
Bagari and Bari.
Yes, it's a curry that made up of brinjal and it's like a roti, like chapati and all. Okay. Well done, well done. Okay, so I'm satisfied, Ryan. Okay,
Well
Nivya,
done.
Nivya. So
Yes,
Nivya,
ma'am.
you are from Goa. Just imagine you are from Goa. Your name is Nivya. So what are languages you know? You are from Goa. It's in page number 5. Just refer and tell me. So Nivya is from Goa. What are languages? Tell me. Make it fast. Okay, Vrinda. So Vrinda, just imagine you are from Goa, a girl from Goa. Okay, so what are languages you know?
English
Fine.
and
Huh.
Konkan.
Yeah, Kongani, English, Kongani,
Kongani.
and a language, Portuguese language. Yes, well done, well done. But Vrinda, I'm also very hungry. Give me some food. I'm your guest. Give me some food. You are from Goa. Give me some food. What's a special food there? Give me the famous food from Goa. Just give me food. Vrinda, sorry, Shivada is ready to give me food. So Vrinda, make it fast. Yeah, give me some food from Goa. It's there in our box. Just read that. Starting with V.
Vindaloo.
Yes, it's a meat curry. Yes, well done. Okay, so Shivada, are you ready?
Yes.
So you're wearing a sari. Okay, you're wearing a sari. And your wish is like Namaskaram. Right? Namaskaram. Your name is Shivada.
Yes.
So where are you from? You from Jammu Kashmir?
No, Karnataka.
Karnataka, right? Because their costume, their cloth is sari. This is interesting, right?
Yes.
So from this, it's clear that each state, they have their own food. Yes, they have their own dress. Yes, they have their own language.
Yes.
Yes or no? Everything is
Yes.
different. Each state, they have their own speciality. Is that clear, everyone?
Yeah.
So are you ready to do an activity, an assignment?
Yeah.
Actually, this is an interesting assignment. This is the assignment for you. Page number 5. Take page number 5. Okay, some blank spaces here, right? Write
Yes.
about yourself. So this is the assignment for you, my dears. Take an A4 sheet, paste your traditional image, which means a traditional like mundan shirt like that. You have to paste your picture in an A4 sheet, then write these information. Is it clear? This box, this blank area. Look, just a minute. Look at this here. Okay, this is the assignment for you. So you have to write the information in an A4 sheet. This is the assignment. Is that clear, everyone? Any doubt? Okay, so suppose like this, write about yourself. This is the assignment for you. So first thing that is you have to paste. Look here, I'll give the instructions for you. Look here, everyone. Take a A4 sheet, a paper, and then write your name. Just write your name, class, and paste your picture here. Just take a printout. If you have any difficulty in taking printout, no problem. You can skip this image part. Okay. Just paste your image here and write. First one, you have to write our wish. What is our wish? Like Assalamu alaikum, Kamma Gani, Vanakkam. Our wishes? In Kerala, in Malayalam, our wishes? Namaskaram, right? So you have to write like this, Namaskaram, Vrinda. So this is the example for you. You have to complete the space. Then you have to write the state name. So that is Kerala. Then you have to write the languages known. So here in my case, it's English, Hindi, Malayalam. Okay, so like that, you have to write your languages. The next one, our dress. So I'm writing sari here. And the last one, food. So rice and sambar. So how is your activity or assignment? This is interesting, right? You're going to paste your own image as an assignment. That's interesting, right? Yes or no? You're not. Oh my God, this is my mistake. Oh my God, sorry. Sorry, my dears. Is there any doubt?
Doubt.
Yes, Rayan, please ask.
You can send it to WhatsApp.
Yes, I'll send this information for the assignment. I'll send. Okay. So like this, you have to write. You have to fill.
Printer is not working.
No problem. Then you can skip that part. Okay, just write your name, class, state, dress, language, food, and all. You can skip the picture. Okay. If anyone found
Okay, ma'am.
any difficulties in taking picture out of your image, you can skip that part. Just write the information. Okay. Yes, my dear Nakshatra.
Ma'am, we want to print the photo.
Yes. If you, yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
you all are stuck here.
Ma'am,
Yes, I'll repeat once again. Those who want, please note. Okay, those who want, please note. This is
Okay,
a
ma'am.
A4 sheet. Just write your name like this and your class. Okay, like this. Then just paste your image, a traditional with a traditional dress like this. If anyone have any difficulty in taking print out, you can skip this part, no problem. Just write. Divya.
We want to take my photo and we want to print.
Yes,
Ma'am, we want to
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
We want to do what?
Okay, I'll send the information. I'll send this information through your WhatsApp. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
So, anyone absent today? It's better to take image. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, my dears. Bye-bye. In the next week. Bye-bye. Our Ryan, yes. Bye.